Welcome to our tutorial on how to bookmark tweets on X Twitter using your PC. Bookmarking tweets can be a great way to save interesting or important tweets for later reference. Let's get started. To begin, locate the tweet that you want to bookmark. Once you have found the tweet, tap the share icon located below the tweet. This will open up a menu of options. From the menu, select Add Tweet to Bookmarks. This action will instantly bookmark the tweet and save it to your Bookmarks section. Now, whenever you want to access your bookmarked tweets, simply click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the Twitter homepage. This will open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Bookmarks. Here, you will find all your bookmarked tweets neatly organized. You can easily access and revisit these tweets anytime you want, even if the original tweet has been deleted, or if you want to refer back to them at a later time. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Happy bookmarking!